Is this Clarice? Well, hello, Clarice. I've been in a state of hibernation. I need some action, Clarice. I need to come out of retirement and return to public life. I couldn't help noticing on the FBI's rather dull public website that I have been elevated to the more prestigious 10 most wanted list. Is this coincidence, or are you back on the case? If so, goody goody.
I have information about Hannibal Lecter.
Fantastic.
You're trying to catch him yourself, aren't you? He killed 3 policemen while in custody.
This chaos. 1,000 people in an iron box. 18 years I've hated the train. 18 years I've waited for this moment.
This is your world. The train saved humanity.
The engine lasts forever. The population must always be kept in balance.
I said sit down!
Passengers, eternal order flows from the sacred engine. We must occupy our preordained position. I belong to the front. You
somewhere
belong
between
to the
science
tail.
and superstition, there is another world. The world of darkness. Nobody expected it.
Let's see what
Nobody believed it. And nothing could stop it.
There are no experts. You probably know as much about possession as most priests. Look, your daughter doesn't say she's a demon. She says she's the devil himself.
I'm telling you that thing upstairs isn't my daughter. Now, I want you to tell me.
We need you to go to
for a
the
fact
east,
that there's
to
nothing.
the far side of Romania, a land that is home to legendary creatures.
I see the Wolfman hasn't killed you yet.
Don't worry, he's getting to it.
Lorded over by Count Dracula.
It is a place where nightmares come to life.
Van Helsing?
He's the first one to kill a vampire in over 100 years. I'd say that's earned him a drink.
Now, a man without a past
Do you have any family, Mr. Van Helsing?
I hope to find out someday. It's what keeps me going.
will face an enemy that never dies.
In 1462, Dracula was banished to an icy fortress.
And then the devil gave him wings.
Raj, meet your new partner.
New partner? Too old for this.
If these guys can just stand each other.
What you got in there? 4-inch Smith? A lot of old-timers carry those.
The bad guys don't stand a chance.
Don't kill anybody. Don't kill anybody. I'm too old for this.
Are you as good as you say you are?
Nobody can touch me. Suppose we better register you as a lethal weapon.
You ever met anybody you didn't kill?
Still no answer. Do you want to live through this?
Yes.
Okay, Ramblers, let's get rambling.
One night is all that stands between them and freedom.
This is my kind of place.
But it's going to be one hell of a night.
We might be in trouble. We have a bunch of fucking vampires out there trying to get in here and suck our fucking blood.
Now, their only chance is to fight back.
Oh, yeah!
Harvey Keitel, George Clooney, Quentin Tarantino, Juliette Lewis.
Welcome to
observer, Carl.
We have a very advanced program, something very different.
An opportunity to reduce your sentence considerably.
and possibly play an important role in returning the human race to the surface of the Earth.
No license, no prints, no warrants.
What he took on 5 cops like he was dusted to the eyeballs.
What year is this?
What year do you think it is?
1996.
That's the future, James. Do you think you're living in the future?
I'm simply trying to gather information to help the people in the present trace the path of the virus.
We're not in the present now.
This is a place for crazy people.
I'm not saying you're not mentally ill. For all I know, you're crazy as hell.
In the 21st century, a weapon will be invented like no other. This weapon will be powerful, versatile, and indestructible. It can't be reasoned with. It can't be bargained with. It will feel no pity, no remorse, no pain, no fear. It will have only one purpose: to return to the present and prevent the future. This weapon will be called the Terminator.
You're dead, honey.
Legend says that a crystal skull was stolen from a mythical lost city in the Amazon, supposedly built out of solid gold, guarded by the living dead. Whoever returns the skull to the city temple will be given control over its power.
You will help us find it.
A simple yes will do.
So, we will do this old-fashioned way.
Put your hands down, will you? You're embarrassing us.
Better wake up. The world you live in is just a sugar-coated topping. There is another world beneath it. The real world.
For thousands of years, they have existed among us.
You keep your eyes open. They're everywhere. Chances are you've seen them yourself and didn't know it.
A secret nation.
Our livelihood depends on our ability to blend in.
With a lust for power.
We should be ruling the humans. These people are our food.
They've got their claws into everything. Politics, finance, real estate.
There's a war going on out there. He makes the weapons. I use them.
Scary movie.
Like scary movies?
Uh-huh.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at.
Someone is playing a deadly game.
It all began with a scream over 911.
Someone who's seen one too many scary movies. Now he's taken his love of fear.
Hello?
Hello, Sydney.
One step too far.
Do you like scary movies?
What's the point? They're all the same. Some stupid killer stalking some big-breasted girl who can't act, who's always running up the stairs when she should be going out the front door. It's insulting.
There are certain rules that one must abide by in order to successfully survive a scary movie.
His entire life studying ancient legends.
You're a professional student, friend.
You like to learn.
Yes. You're avoiding life.
I just want my boy to find love.
And you live with your mother and you're okay with that.
Yes. No. I have to change my life.
Now his knowledge has opened a door.
Welcome to the library. This is your destiny.
You are now the guardian of all these great treasures.
And the first job of his life,
They took the spear of destiny.
is to save us all. From the producer of Independence Day.
You are the only one who can bring the spear back.
Take a chance, big boy.
The power of the spear is mine.
The fate of the world is in my hands.
Noah Wiley.
That is just so sad.
I'm the king of the world!
That made you think you could put your hands on my fiancée.
It's not up to you to save me, Jack.
He's got you trapped. If you don't break free, you're gonna die. It's a ship. There's only so many places she can be. Find her. Iceberg, right ahead!
aren't enough boats. Half the people on the ship are going to die.
For God's sake, there's women and children down here! Let us out so we can have a chance!
Where are you going? What to him?
You jump high, jump right.
I hope you're trying time together!
And God shall wipe away all the tears from their eyes, and there shall be no more death.